everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing an extra special makeup routine. Today I am joined with my beautiful, outstanding, amazing Uneek Squad sisters that include DERISSA, Amanda, TONI, Jackie, and myself. But today we are bringing you a wine-inspired look, and I am so excited, so very excited about this. And this is basically a way to introduce Amanda to you all. We hope that you are enjoying our beautiful Uneek Squad. And as always, their information is always down in the description box below. Oh my gosh. So for me to get this party started, I went ahead and did my usual face routine, which includes my moisturizer, my primer, my my Majestic foundation. I also went in and, oh, I forgot to put my lips on. Y'all know I like to put my lips on before we start. So I went and put my lips on. I got my powder on, so that is on. And I also have, I'm ready to go to just do eyes and lips. But this is a wine-inspired look today. So today we're going to do this wine-inspired look by this Avon True Colors. This is in the shade Romantic Mauve. And this will be the first time I'm actually using this particular shade. So I'm really, really happy to start using this little mini quad palette. Before I get started, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget to like up this video so you won't miss any of the fun that we have here on UneekAvon. I love doing unboxings, reviews, first impression, tips and tricks, all that and everything more. And I love doing self-care Sundays with my beautiful Uneek Squad sisters. And there are tons more videos to come. So let's get started on this wine-inspired look today. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this package. This is for the very first time. And I love how Avon has this little button here to open up your palette. With me, my hands being so stiff a lot of times and getting that arthritic, and yeah, it's fun being 40. Having those semi-arthritic hands and going through health problems. My fingers don't grip as well, so that little button really helps me out a lot. So it does come with a little quad mirror. And here is your palette, again with the eyeshadow application brush, which is those old, wonderful little old school brushes like this. But here is the gorgeous palette. And if you are introduced to our quads, you will know that they are numbered, so you can follow along with the number, which is on the back of your box here. So these right here indicated on the numbers on your palette. So I'm actually going to try my best and follow the number to create this beautiful look. So sit back, relax, enjoy the music as I transform myself into my wine-inspired makeup look today. Need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow
working around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I was safe and sound. Can we just slow down? And we just slow waste another day. I don't wanna stay. You say we need a change and feel that you need it. But you're so right. We're losing track of time. Buying things online, it's not like we need them. Safe and sound.
I'm just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of will disappear and flutter on. Whoa, hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground is where we'll stand. Let go of the riddle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand. Hold on, you stop. Hold on, you stop. Just look on, and I'll look down, and all your fears have run aground. Then you said, all I ever wanted was to love like this. All I ever needed was to feel like something more than a closed door flat on the floor. I can offer so much more. All I ever wanted was to feel at ease. All I ever needed was to get up off my feet. 'Cause I believe.
I am so excited about this look, and I actually used the little mirror that came with the compact as well. I am actually liking this. This is really cute, really fun, really just, I would actually wear this around during the day. This eye look is very simple. I literally followed the little instructions that came here, which made my eyes really look good. I used the Citraine, which was the glimmer stick, and I actually added it into my inner corners here to pop it out, and I used it in the lips just to create that little glow effect to it. You know, if you use the sparkly one, it has little bubbles. I also use the purple liner to do my liner instead of just that cold black like I always do, just to switch things up, you know. I like to switch things up around But I am so excited the way this turned out. I wonder what the other ladies did for their collab. Well, I'm gonna go find out. I hope you do too. Don't forget, all the ladies are listed, of course, down in the description box below. As always, my beautiful Uneek Squad can be always found down in the description box below. I love supporting them, and they have been around me for a very long time. We just added Amanda in. We would like to welcome Amanda to our wonderful beauty Uneek Beauty Squad. So thank you all so much for watching this wonderful wine day look. I am so excited about this. This is pretty. This is really pretty. I might just put on my mask and go check the mail, y'all. Just so from all of us to all of you, have a wonderful day. God bless, and we'll catch you on the flip side.
Is where